If you use Suno to make music, you know the feeling. You type in a prompt, and 30 seconds later, you get an absolute banger. The melody is catchy, the lyrics are great, the vibe is perfect. But then you hit a wall. You want to upload it to YouTube, or maybe start a chill-hop music channel, but you're stuck with a static image. And let's be honest, in 2026, if the screen isn't moving, the algorithm isn't pushing it. People click away, so you need visuals. But you don't just need random stock footage, you need visuals that actually match the mood and the beat of your track. Usually, that means learning complex animation software or hiring artists, which costs a fortune. But today, I'm going to show you the shortcut. We're going to take a fresh vocal lo-fi track from Suno, and we're going to use a tool called BeatViz AI to create a music video for that track. The reason we are using BeatViz is that it has a direct integration with Suno. You don't even need to download files. It pulls your song, listens to the tempo, analyzes the lyrics, and builds a synced video automatically. I'm going to walk you through the entire workflow, from generating the beat to the final render. Let's get into it. First things first, we need the music. I'm over here in Suno. For this video, instead of a standard pop song, let's try something with a real vibe. I want to go for that lo-fi dream pop aesthetic with soft vocals. Ideally, something emotional that will visually fit an anime style. I'm in custom mode. I don't have lyrics, so I'm going to let Suno generate something about missing someone at 3 a.m. in a neon city. For the style prompt, I'm going to type lo-fi hip-hop, dream pop, soft female vocals, down-tempo, rainy night atmosphere, emotional. I want the song to lock into the style, so I'm going to adjust the sliders to low weirdness and high style influence. Let's hit create and see what we get. Okay, let's take a listen.
Taxi doors slam, I'm walking home in last call air. Storefront signs keep buzzing like they know that you're not there. My hands in my pocket, scrolling through the nights we saved. Your name on a screen, but my chest feels wide awake. It's 3 a.m. and I still see you in every crowded window, every passing view. I talk to you, echo in the glow, like you're gonna answer, like you're on your phone. It's 3 a.m. and I still need you. This whole bright maze just leads me back to you. I'm chasing your shadow through the glowing glare of 3 a.m. You're everywhere. Crosswalk light turns, I stay standing.
That is beautiful. The vocals are soft, the beat is chill, it's perfect for a bedroom pop aesthetic. Now usually this is the part where you'd have to download the MP3, find it in your messy downloads folder and drag it around. But watch this. All I'm going to do is click on the song and copy the URL of that song page. That's it. We are done here. Let's go to BeatViz. Here we are in the BeatViz dashboard. If you haven't seen this before, it's a dedicated AI video studio built for musicians. We are going straight to the Music Video Agent. Now pay attention here. Instead of uploading a file, look at this option on the right. Paste Suno link. I'm going to paste the URL I just copied and hit import. Boom. Just like that. It saves so much time if you are trying to bulk create content for a channel. So here is our waveform. I'm going to select the first verse and chorus for this demo. Now we need to tell it what we want to see. Since the song has lyrics about a neon city, we need the visuals to match. In the prompt box, I'm typing anime aesthetic, 90s style, lonely girl singing softly by a window, neon cityscape in background, rain, purple and blue color palette, emotional expression. In the settings, always check this. I'm switching to 1080p because high-res anime art looks amazing, and I'm keeping it 16:9 for YouTube. Now for the character. This is crucial for vocal tracks. You want the actress to look the same in every shot. I'm clicking the character button. I'm not going to upload a reference this time. I'll let BeatViz create one from scratch. I'm typing anime girl, short purple hair, oversized sweater, wearing headphones, melancholic expression. Let's see what it comes up with. Okay, wow, that is literally perfect. It looks exactly like the vibe of the song. Let's confirm that. For the style, I'm going to pick Lonely Midnight vibe and anime visual style. We are all set now. Let's hit generate. The AI is now analyzing the track. It's detecting the vocals. It sees that it's a ballad tempo. This means it won't give us frantic cuts. It will give us slow, emotional pans. It's giving me a few creative directions. I'll choose this one. Neon Window Dreams fits the vibe. Here's the storyboard. Look at these frames. You can see the character is consistent. Same purple hair, same headphones in the last frames, and the lighting matches the Neon City prompt we gave it. All 8 segments look good to go, so let's hit the button to animate them. While it processes, you can see the music analysis log. It detected female vocal, synth, and down tempo. This data is what controls the camera movement speed. Let's check the generated clips. This is really impressive. Look at the movement. It's not random. The rain is falling, the neon lights are there, but the movements are gentle. It lets the vocals take center stage. There are reflections of the character in the window, which is a great detail. At times we have a couple inconsistent scenes. The visual style has sometimes turned to more realism, but it does still have an anime vibe. I'm happy with this. Let's confirm and compose the full video.
Taxi doors slam, I'm walking home in last call air. Storefront signs keep buzzing like they know that you're not there. My hands in my pocket, scrolling through the nights we saved. Your name on a screen, but my chest feels wide awake. It's 3 a.m. and I still see you in every crowded window, every passing view. I talk to you, echo in the glow, like you're gonna answer, like you're on your phone. It's 3 a.m. and I still need you. This whole bright maze just leads me back to you. I'm chasing your shadow through the glowing glare of 3 a.m. You're everywhere. Crosswalk light turns, I stay standing, let it change.
Here is the final result from simple mode. Because we used the Suno link, the sync is tight. The transitions and visual cuts are smooth dissolves, which fits the music perfectly. It's not flawless, but if you were scrolling past this, you would certainly stop to look at it. Real quick, if you're finding this workflow helpful, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button right now. I'm testing new AI music video tools every single week to see what actually works for musicians and creators, and I don't want you to miss the next one. Alright, that was simple mode. But what if you want to add some B-roll, maybe a shot of the city without the girl, to let the song breathe? Let's give a shot at custom mode. I'm going back to the dashboard, and this time toggling custom mode. I'll paste that same Suno link again. Now we are in the studio view. Timeline on the right, library on the left. Just like video editors like CapCut or Premiere Pro, and this is where you have total control. Let's say right before the chorus hits, I want a wide shot of the rainy city to establish the mood. Here, I can create those specific frames. I'm going to use the frame generator on the right. I'm using the Nano Banana Pro model to create beautiful 2D anime art. I'll prompt, wide angle, Cyber City street at night, raining, neon signs, no people, anime-style background art. Hit generate. That is gorgeous. It looks like a wallpaper. Now I'm going to animate it using the video generator. I'll select the VO 3.1 inches model for the motion. I will upload the image we just generated as the start frame, 1080p 16:9, and hit generate. Here we are. And now we have this perfect establishing shot. I can drag this into the timeline right where it fits. This breaks up the visual repetition. Now we can have the visuals. Girl singing. Cut to city. Cut back to girl. A mix with B-rolls. Just like that, you can give your own ideas, prompts, and create the frames and clips for your own music video one by one. You are basically the director here. You aren't stuck with what the AI gives you. You can mix and match until it's perfect. Once you are happy with your timeline, you just hit export. Now you have a high-resolution, completely original music video with vocals and visuals that you own completely. This is completely monetizable content. You could literally start a music channel today using this exact workflow. The integration between Suno and BeatViz just makes the friction almost zero. You spend less time moving files around and more time actually creating. If you are a Suno user, I highly recommend trying this out. The link is in the description. The gap between bedroom musician and professional studio is closing fast, and tools like BeatViz are the reason why. If this video was helpful, do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps me keep making these deep dives for you guys. Drop a comment if you have a specific tool or feature you want me to try next. Thanks for watching, and go create something amazing.